RE-NEET 2026 result is finally out and we all have already gone through the topper scores, ranks and all the data related to the examination. You must have been aware of the fact that 11.21 lakh students qualified the RE-NEET 2026 examination and the state-wise toppers must have been clear to you. In this video, we are going to talk about the state-wide distribution of the rank as well as the seat matrix for each state so that you can have a clear idea about the counseling. In this video, we will not just acknowledge you about the state-wise toppers, but we are also going to help you with the counseling facilities. Yes, what you have to do is you have to send NEET, NEET, NEET on WhatsApp, or you can call on this given number, that is 8130-376-334, and you can attain one-to-one counseling sessions so that you can have the best knowledge about the best medical colleges in India, and your journey to the best medical college in India can be made smoother and efficient. Also, we have the NEET College Predictor tool where you can enter the acquired score in the RE-NEET 2026 examination and you can get the list of the probable medical colleges that you might be getting or that you might be shortlisting in this RE-NEET 2026 counseling process. Okay, here is a list of the state and the union territory toppers which we have over here. If I talk about in the alphabetical order, starting with Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we have Dhruv Tripathi, who has been the topper of this particular area, and his overall rank in all India is 8,339. Next we have another topper from Andhra Pradesh, who is a female candidate, and her overall rank, that is all India rank, is 36. Also we have another topper, Lyric ETE, that is from Arunachal Pradesh, and the candidate has scored an overall rank or all India rank of 8,673. Similarly, we have all the ranks arranged based upon the states and the union territories, as you can clearly see in this list. What is more noticeable over here is that Ayush Bhalotia is the Bihar topper and his all India rank is 4. Very commendable performance. And next we have Panshul Bansal, who is the Haryana topper, and also AIR2 has been achieved by this candidate. Again, you can see, if I talk about 138 candidates who have scored above 690 marks, we have AIR 117 from the Chhattisgarh state. So the Chhattisgarh state topper is Shiprak Goyal. Next, we have AIR 44, which has been obtained from Chandigarh, and the topper's name is Madhavan Mahajan. Next, we have AIR 24, which has been achieved by Kashvi Dhal, who is from Delhi, and her AIR is 24. Next, we also have 25 rank from Gujarat, and the Gujarat state topper, that is Taha Samun Bhatia. So overall, this is a list of the state toppers from these individual states. Also, let me tell you that the number of students who have qualified and scored 700 plus marks in the RE-NEET 2026 examination is 19, and 138 candidates have scored above 690 marks in this RE-NEET 2026 examination. Moving ahead, if I talk about this list, then you can see the list of the candidates, their respective states and union territories, their gender, category and the ranks. We'll be discussing some prominent ranks over here. For example, if I talk about AIR 5, All India rank 5th, that is from Maharashtra. So the Maharashtra state topper is Shravani Krishna, and also the female category topper. Next, if I talk about AIR or All India rank 20, that has been achieved from Karnataka, that is Vaishnavi Das. So Vaishnavi Das is the Karnataka topper. Next, if I talk about AIR 99, it has been achieved from Jammu and Kashmir by Hadia Nisar. Again, AIR 89, that is All India rank 89, achieved from Kerala. So the Kerala state topper is Neeraj B. And then we have AIR 46, All India rank 46, achieved from Madhya Pradesh, and the name of the candidate is Aryaman Singh Solanki. So these are some of the noticeable ranks which you can see over here. But another thing very intriguing is that 55,742 rank has been achieved by Jigmit Yangchen Lamo, and she is from Ladakh, which is considered as a union territory, and again the rank is quite wide as compared to the other states in the list. Next, if I talk about the another state toppers, we have All India rank 1 coming from Punjab. So the Punjab state topper, and not just Punjab state topper, the national topper, All India rank 1, has been achieved by R.N. Gupta. Next, we have All India Rank 3 coming from Rajasthan by Uplaksh Goel. So the Rajasthan state topper is also Uplaksh Goel. Then we have All India Rank 7 coming from Uttar Pradesh by Aryan Dubey. So Uttar Pradesh state topper is Aryan Dubey. Next, we have rank 12 and 13 coming from Tamil Nadu and Telangana by the respective candidates mentioned over here. So you can see all the noticeable ranks arranged over here. If I talk about Odisha, Odisha state topper has an All India rank 40 and the name is Satvik Patnaik. And we also have rank 35 over here coming from West Bengal. So the West Bengal state topper is Sabyasachi Lashkar. Now let us have a quick comparison of all the 138 candidates who have scored above 690 marks and have been highlighted by the NTA in their press release. If I talk about the state distribution of ranks, so here is a list of top 10 states who have given the majority of candidates in this 138 rank list. If I talk about Rajasthan, there are 19 students in Rajasthan who have scored more than 690 marks in the RE-NEET 2026 examination. If I talk about Maharashtra, it has 18 students who have scored above 690. Tamil Nadu, 12 students from Tamil Nadu have scored above 690 marks. 11 students from Delhi itself have scored above 690 marks. 10 students from Punjab have scored above 690 marks. 9 students from Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Gujarat have scored above 690 marks. And if I talk about Telangana and Karnataka, 8 students from each of these respective states have scored above 690 marks. So you can see the percentage contribution of these number of students in the 138 students who have scored above 698 marks in the RE-NEET 2026 examination. Here we have a list of bottom 5 states who have given the least contribution in the RE-NEET 2026 examination of the number of the candidates who have scored above 690. If I talk about Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, West Bengal, one student from each of these states is present in the list of these 138 candidates, and Chhattisgarh is contributing 2 students in this list of 138 rankers. Okay. Let's quickly see the seat matrix. Total seat matrix, this includes the government seats as well as the private seats. You can clearly see that Andaman and Nicobar Islands has 114 medical seats. Andhra Pradesh has 7465 medical seats or MBBS seats. Arunachal Pradesh has just 100 medical seats or MBBS seats. If I talk about Bihar, there are 4160 MBBS seats available in the Bihar state. If I talk about Chhattisgarh, there are 2575 seats available in Chhattisgarh. Gujarat has 7,750 seats. Haryana has 2,960 seats. If I talk about Maharashtra, it has 13,099 seats. And the highest number of seats are present in Karnataka, which is 15,395. You can also see a good number of seats available for the case of Uttar Pradesh, which is 14,000. If I talk about Tamil Nadu, it has 13,999 medical seats or MBBS seats. Talking about Telangana, it has 10,250 medical seats. So overall, this is the seat distribution state-wise, and you can note down the number of seats, the total number of seats including both government medical colleges and private medical colleges if you belong to any of these states. And again, at last, if you have any problem related to the counseling, if you want to know the best medical colleges that can be available on your scores, on your RE-NEET 2026 scores, you can call us on this number again, 8130-376-334, and the counselors are sitting over here 24/7 available to help you out with all your doubts related to the counseling and admission process so that your medical journey can be made brighter and efficient. Do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360 for more such amazing content. Thank you.